Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is WAEC Maths 2019 and the question goes thus. Simplify, correct to 3 significant figures these given decimal numbers. So let us quickly write these decimal numbers out, okay, for explanatory sake. Okay, so 27.63, we're going to quickly point that in our calculator. You should always have your calculator handy while going for WAEC Maths, because it is allowed. A non-programmable calculator is allowed. Okay, so we'll punch this in, then the square of that, which we can see is 763.4169 to minus, that will go also look for the square of 12.37, and that will also give us 153.0169. So now we just subtract this from this. So we have 610.4. And remember, the question says correct to 3 significant figure. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this digit that comes after the last significant digit, okay, it is less than 5, and once we have a digit that is less than 5, it doesn't affect the last significant digit. Okay, so let's say, for instance, if it is 5, it's going to increase the last significant digit, but since it is less than 5, it has no effect on the last significant digit. So we'll just have our final answer 610 to 3 significant figures. Okay, so for check our answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.